Is your brain a browser with too many tabs open? You sit down to work, and suddenly, cleaning the fridge seems urgent. What if I told you your inability to focus isn't your fault? And what if you could fix it in less than 10 seconds? This isn't just another put your phone away lecture. We're going to expose the real enemy and give you 3 lightning-fast hacks to defeat it for good. Let's be honest. You've tried to focus. You've set goals. You've even downloaded those fancy apps. But your mind still wanders. You read the same sentence 3 times. You feel guilty, frustrated, and you just can't figure out why. Well, here's the secret. The real villain isn't your phone. It's not social media. It's something much sneakier. It's called attention residue. Every time you switch tasks, check a text, scan an email, a part of your brain stays behind, stuck on the previous thing. You're trying to work with a brain that's only half there. So how do we evict this squatter? Here are 3 hacks. Hack number 1, the 10-second brain dump. Your working memory is like a tiny desk. You can't focus when it's covered in random sticky notes. The rule is stupidly simple. Before you start any important task, take 10 seconds. I mean it. 10. And dump every distracting thought onto a physical piece of paper. But I need to remember that. Don't worry, it's on the paper. This isn't about organizing. It's about eviction. You're telling your brain, I've got this handled, now you are free to focus. This single trick clears the mental clutter that kills concentration in seconds. Okay, hack number 2, the one thing trigger. Your brain loves autopilot. Right now, your autopilot is set to distraction. We need to reprogram it. Here's how. Create a super specific 10-second trigger that tells your brain, it's focus time. My favorite? I will open this document and write 1 sentence. Not, I will work for an hour. Not, I will finish the report. Just 1 sentence. Your brain looks at that and goes, oh, that's easy. I can do that. This isn't about the work. It's about winning the battle of starting. Once you write that 1 sentence, you've already beaten the resistance. You're in. After writing the sentence, Chris gets into a flow state, typing smoothly. Now this 3rd hack is so counterintuitive, it might just blow your mind. Hack number 3, the boring page technique. What happens when you try to force yourself to focus? You create pressure. And what does your brain do under pressure? It rebels. It looks for any escape. Hello, YouTube rabbit hole. So instead of fighting it, lean into the boredom. Keep a blank, boring notepad next to you. When you feel the urge to distract yourself, you are only allowed to look at that boring, empty page. It's like a pressure release valve. You're not telling your brain, no distractions, which just makes distractions more appealing. You're saying, if you need a break, here's your option. Your brain will quickly realize the work is more interesting than the boring page, and it will willingly return to the task. It's a Jedi mind trick on yourself. So let's recap. To slay the focus monster, you need to outsmart it. 1. The 10-second brain dump to clear the clutter. 2. The one thing trigger to hack your autopilot. And 3. The boring page to remove the pressure. And here's your bonus secret tip. Chew gum. No, really. Studies show that chewing gum increases blood flow to the brain. It gives your I need to fidget brain something simple to do, freeing up the rest of your mind to focus. It's a 10-second fix you can start right now. Your focus isn't broken. It's just being hijacked. Which of these focus hacks will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you reclaim your brain, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe. We're just getting started on hacking your brain for success. Know someone who's constantly distracted?
Share this with them.
Be the friend who gives them their focus back. Thanks for watching. Remember, a focused mind is a superpower. See you in the next one.